Hello guys, welcome back to Lytical Preps. So today we are going to solve this question. It's an inequality question and we have to represent our answer on a number line. So solution, we have 2 divided 5 minus x all on 3 plus 3 less than negative 3 bracket x minus 2 all on 2. So we need to expand the bracket first, okay? Let's expand the bracket first. So expanding the bracket, I'm going to get 2 times 5 minus 2 times x on 3 plus 3 less than negative 3 times x minus 3 times negative 2 all on 2. So I'm going to get 2 times 5 is 10. 2 times x, we get 2x all on 3 plus 3 less than negative 3 times x, we are getting minus 3x. Negative 3 times negative 2, we are getting plus 6 all on 2. Good. We have to find the LCM of 2 and 3. Okay? And the LCM of 2 and 3 is 6 because 2 times 3 is 6. So we use this 6 to multiply through the whole equation. So it's going to be 6 multiplied by 10 minus 2x on 3 plus 3 times 6 less than negative 3x plus 6 all into bracket on 2 times 6. We know that 3 goes into self 1 and goes into 6 2 times. Also, 2 goes into self 1 and goes into 6 3 times because 2 times 3 is 6. So we are going to get 2 multiplying 10 minus 2x plus 3 times 6, we are getting 18 less than bracket. We have 3x. So let me rewrite this here. It's going to be negative 3x plus 6 all into bracket multiplied by 3. So to simplify this, we get 2 times 10 is 20. 2 times negative 4, we get negative 4x plus 18 less than 3 times negative 3x, we get negative 9x. 3 times 6 is positive 18. Good. Now we group like terms. So on the left hand side, we are going to get negative 4x plus 9x, which is less than 18. So we send this 18 becomes negative 18, then the 20 becomes negative 20. Good. Negative 4x plus 9x, we get 5x. It's less than 18 minus 18 is 0. So you get negative 20. We divide both sides by 5. So dividing both sides by 5, get x is less than negative 4. Good. So our true set is going to be, say therefore, the true set is, let's say that x is less than negative 4. Good. So let us present this on the number line. Okay, and our answer is s is less than -4. Good. So x is less than -4. So this is our answer on the normal line. Please, we didn't shade the circle because it is not less or equal to. If it was to be less or equal to 4, -4, then it means we should shade this portion. But it is less than 4, so you don't need to shade it. Okay? Try this one. Please make sure you solve it and you leave your answer in the comment section so that we will go through for you. Don't forget to subscribe to find the true set of 1 on 3x minus 1 on 4 bracket x plus 2, which is greater than 3x minus 1 whole number 1 out of 3. Good. Thank you for watching.